Looking for the best Korean skincare? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Korean skincare on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. Features hyaluronic acid to hydrate skin and hibiscus flower alpha hydroxy acid to improve skin's texture. Has a pleasant watermelon scent and applies in a very fine, even mist. Can be used before makeup as a primer or after as a dewy setting spray. A dewy face spray that smells great and leaves skin feeling refreshed. Bottle has a fine mist. No glitter particles. Not everyone is a fan of the fragrance. At number 2. Primera Miracle Seed Essence. Designed to be used after toner in your skincare routine to even skin's texture and tone and prepare skin for serums and creams. Comes with cotton pads for application. Has a very mild scent and leaves skin smooth and hydrated. An essence that improves tone while also moisturizing. Preps skin for better absorption of products. Not hydrating enough for very dry skin. At number 1. Innisfree Super Volcanic Clusters Pore Clearing Clay Mask. Thick clay mask that deep cleans the skin with volcanic lava clusters and lactic acid. Helps minimize pores and exfoliates to leave skin clearer and softer. Clay absorbs excess oil. Gentle enough for sensitive skin and dry skin. An affordable volcanic clay mask that clears congestion without being too harsh or drying. Consistency makes it hard to wash off. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.